Hopefully this is working. Okay, here we go. Half. Half of what now? Okay. The triangle has two sides. One is 12. Okay. One is what? 15. So you got a 12, you got a 15. And what's this angle that they create?
24.
24 degrees. Okay, if I draw the legs together, now I have my triangle. What's the area of this triangle? Area is?
1/2 12.
1/2, yep, 12 times what?
15. Times sine of 24.
Sine of 24 degrees. And really that's all it is. That's
90
all it
times
is.
7.
Punch it in. Half of 12 is 6. 6 times 15 is 90. Times sine of 24.
36.6.
Brittany says 36.6 units, inches. Right? Is that what you're getting?
Yes. I second that.
Okay. Okay, so that's that problem. Do you have any questions before I move on? No? Pretty simple formula, guys. Take half of the two sides given times the sine of the included angle, and you got it. Okay, now, here's the deal. That is not what this lesson's about. This lesson is not about finding area. This lesson is all about what we call law of what? Law of sines. Okay. Now, law of sines works for what? What kind of triangle?
Any triangle.
Any triangle. So you know how you and I have been doing this? We've only been working with triangles that look like this, right triangles. Okay, well now I can do this. I can open up the right triangle, and this is called a what angle? Obtuse triangle, or a what triangle? Acute. Now, if you have acute or obtuse, law of sine is the way to go. Okay? Now, to use law of sine, it says this. In any triangle, the ratio of sine of each angle to its what? Opposite side is always going to be the same number. Constant. It will never change. In particular, for triangle ABC over there, guys, look over there. If I look at angle A has an opposite side of A. So what they say is sine of A over its opposite side A should equal sine of B over its opposite side B, which also should equal sine of C over side C. These are all equal ratios. So like for instance, this could be 1 over 3. Guess what this one is? 1 over 3. Guess what the next one is? Okay, and if this is true, then what you and I can do is we can take any two of these, set them equal to each other, and find missing sides and missing angles. And that's what you're going to do throughout this whole lesson. I'll ask you to find side A, or I'll ask you to find angle B. Okay? Ty, are you okay? I'm right here. Okay, I'm not back there, I'm right here. Stay with me. Okay? Alright, I can set these two equal, or I can set these two equal, or I could set the first one and the last one equal. As long as I set them equal, I can solve an equation pretty quick. Alright, so here we go. Let's take a look at the first problem. Alright. It says in triangle KLM, angle K is what?
Angle K is 120 degrees.
Okay, so if that's true, then you need to do something like this. You need to draw angle K at 120. Make sure you draw a triangle that looks like the information given. So that's your first draw. Then go here to here. And then start plopping down the other information. Angle M is 50 degrees. Where would you like M to go?
Top.
And it doesn't matter. Since Brock says top, we'll put it up here. 50 degrees. Which leaves me with what other letter?
L.
L. Okay, L. We don't know L. It doesn't even give us L.
Oh, we can find it.
Well, I don't know if they want us to. Read this. What does that mean?
ML.
From vertex M to vertex L is 35.
35.
You know what? They just gave you what?
Side.
No, this is not a right triangle.
No, it's side line.
What I was hoping you would say is they
The
just gave
base.
you K. They said ML is 35. Well, ML is side K. They actually gave you side K. All right? What do they want you to find? KL. KL is really what side of this triangle? KL is really M. This is what they're asking for. They want side M. Okay, and if that's what they want, and this is not a right triangle, I can't use SOHCAHTOA. So now I'm going to go with Law of Sine. Now, Law of Sine says, if you know an angle, and you know the opposite side, go ahead and use Law of Sine. What angle and what side do you know? Sorry, what angle, what opposite side?
120 and 35.
Okay, that one.
Oh.
120 and the opposite side. Hey, if you know an angle and the opposite side, you're ready to go. It will be sine of 120
Divided by
over 35. Okay. This ratio should be the same as any of the other ratios. Now, you want this side, right?
Yep.
What's the angle opposite?
50.
50. So you will say this should equal sine of what? 50 over M. M for side M. Okay? Now it's a ratio equal to ratio. It's called a proportion. How are you going to solve it? Okay, this times this. 35 times sine of 50 equals M times what?
sine of 120.
Sine of 120. Okay. Get that first part down, and then it's just a quick, easy. What do we do next? How do you get rid of multiplication? What are we going to divide by?
Or sine of 120.
Sine of 120. If you want M all by itself, sine of 120 divided by itself is gone. This is the answer as soon as you type this in. Let's round this thing to the nearest. It doesn't really say. How about 10th? To the nearest 10th, what is that?
29.6.
Okay, that I don't remember.
0.0148473.
30 point.
Okay, wait. Time out. Okay, so here's what you do.
31.
You take your calculator, you go 35 times sine of 50, hit equals, get an answer on top,
1,750.
then divide by sine of 120.
31.
31 point.
Well, I was at 30.95.
Okay,
Yeah, I got 30.
if I go to the nearest 10th, there's the answer.
31.
If I-
got 30.
If I go to the nearest 100th, it's 30 point, was it 96?
Yeah, nice.
Okay. Okay, so if you gave me the answer to tenths, the answer is 31.0. If you went to hundredths, it's 30.96. This question does not tell me what to do. So I mean, I'd accept this, I'd accept this. Of course, you can go further out if you want. I don't think you want to. Okay. Any questions?
No.
Okay, law of sine. You must know an angle, and what else?
Side.
The opposite side. If you don't know the angle on the opposite side, you cannot use this law. Okay? Alright. Next up. Here we go. Try this one. Draw the picture. First, draw the picture.
Bang, bang.
This is really important right here. Okay, oh, right now you've got at least that much. R, angle R is 97.5.
Then across.
Straight across would be what?
80.
80. Okay, I've taken care of this. I've taken care of this. Side P is 75, but where's angle P?
Put Q on the top and then P on the bottom.
Q on the top? Q on the top and P on the bottom. Which would mean this would be 75. Gotcha. All right, so what I don't know is, I don't know Q, and I don't know side Q. What exact, oh, wait, I don't know
Can
P.
you sine of
Yeah.
95?
What is it they want?
What is
Angle
They
P.
want angle P.
Okay, this is what they want. Angle P. Well, for you to use law of sine, you gotta know an angle and the side opposites. Do you? Which one do you know?
R.
Okay, so you know this and this. Okay, so here we go. Sine of what?
97.9.
Or over what? Over 80. Should equal what other ratio?
70.
Sine of P.
Sine of P
Over
over
75.
75, gotcha. Okay, that gets you points on a quiz or a test. Now what?
Sine.
Cross multiply.
Cross multiply. Ready? 75 times sine of 97.5 should equal 80 times sine of 80 times sine of P. That's what you're looking for. How do you get sine of P all by itself?
Divide by 75.
Divide by 80.
Oh,
No. You want to get sine of P by itself, right?
yeah.
Okay, divide by 80. Here it comes. Sine of P is roughly. Now, is this an angle that it pops out? Is this going to pop out an angle for you?
Do we get it?
Ty. Don't do that. Guys, sine of P, when you do all this work, is this popping out an angle?
No.
No, this is the angle. This is the ratio over here. What is this? Guys, we have to kind of do this together. Give me 4 digits to the right of this decimal.
9294.
929.
Or 5.
5, okay. So here's the deal. You and I have to agree on this. If your calculator does not have the answer button, do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like if you can type in your answer again, if it doesn't have that button, then go with these 4 digits. Here's my big question to you. How do you get rid of that word sine?
Divide by.
No. Nope, that's not what we did.
Reverse. Whatever.
Inverse sine wipes out sine, right? Isn't that what we did?
Yes.
Okay. All right, we're getting there.
So then you have to inverse sine point.
Okay, here we go. Inverse sine of what?
0.9225.
Yep. 0.9295 equals
60.
angle P.
68.35.
68 what?
36.
3. Who's humming? Who's my hummer?
Pi
Stop humming. Okay.
equals angle P.
Angle painter, right. Okay.
Is it?
Hey guys, here's the deal. If you want to get more precise, all you got to do is this. When you take inverse sine, then hit, and if you have the answer button, just hit second answer, and then you'll get this whole decimal in the calculator, which will get you a little better answer. Not much better, but it is a little better. Okay? I would accept either or. Because you guys, I hope you agree with me. Let's just go that far out. Okay? All right? Questions? No questions. Okay, here's the deal. Read the story problem. Fill in the 3 boxes. I'll be right with you.
Can I fill this
That's why
one?
we can make their
No.
Coming after.
Oh,
They're like under something else. Now I'm just getting a break from plotting points.
gotcha.
We played some battleships.
Did you?
Yep, and then Karen had to step in on Friday.
Nope. I'm talking way more than you. I get drinks, you don't. Ty, you should have got that right away.
I had to buy a chocolate bar. Had to find $1.
All right. So, you've read it, I think, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, you got somebody staring at the top of the tree wondering how tall is that tree. A landscaper sights the top of the tree at 68 degrees. She then moves an additional 70 feet directly away from the tree, so backwards, and sights the top of the tree at 43 degrees. How tall is the tree to the nearest tenth of a foot? Have you already put your X somewhere?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right there?
Yep.
To there? X is the height of the tree, right? Okay, what did you put in for this box right here?
68.
68 degrees. What'd you put in from B, moves backwards to A?
70.
70?
Yeah.
She moved back 70 feet, correct?
Yep.
Okay. Then her new angle is what?
43.
43 degrees, correct?
Yes.
Okay, the question becomes this. You have triangles all over the place. Here is a triangle. Watch my pen, up to here, top of the tree, and then right back down to where she was.
Yep.
That is a triangle, okay? Then you have another triangle, top of the tree, straight down and back to here. Okay? So you have how many triangles?
2.
Actually 3. There's another one.
Oh, the one that goes around.
Right here. At B, up to here, straight down to here, back here. Okay? So you have a lot of stuff in your way. You need to fill in more information. Tell me what else you could put in.
You could find the base of the smaller triangle
Okay?
and then add it to 70.
Okay, how do I find that
Oh, wait.
base? How do I know that? How am I going to find it is my question.
Oh wait, is 70?
70 is from B backwards to A. That's
Yeah.
70. Okay, I don't think I can find that piece.
Hey, look. There's a
'Cause
90
you have-
angle right there.
Because you have 60. Oh wait.
You don't even.
You don't know
Oh,
if
yeah,
that's
that's
90
fine.
for shizzle?
Yeah.
Okay, I do know this. This is 90. That's 90.
Yeah.
That's 68.
Okay, 90 minus 68.
90 minus 100 minus 90 minus
The
68.
top is 22 degrees between the 90.
Okay, you say here and here?
Yeah, it's 22.
22.
Is that
Yeah,
Okay.
'cause 100 is-
So that's 22. Because 180 minus 9 is 90. 90 minus 68 is 22. Okay, got it. What else?
You have to figure out the one right on the other side of B, wouldn't you take 180 minus 68?
Yep, yep. So what's this?
112.
112. Okay. Hopefully everybody's with them. Isaac just said this from here to here is 180. Take off the 68, that's 112. Okay, what else?
Top one be 25.
This would be 25.
Mhm.
Okay, gotcha. We're getting all kinds of angles, which is good, but how are we going to start finding some sides?
God.
What did I just teach you?
I don't.
That's not a good one.
What did we just cover, the last two problems?
Okay, can you go sine of 43
Finding
over x
Side of the
times sine
triangle
of 25 over
by
sine?
using the
Okay,
law
wait,
of
wait.
sine.
Stop. Shh. You guys, you talking too much? Okay, let Brittany just say what she said. I want to hear what she said. Sine of what?
43
Over?
over x.
Over x?
Yeah.
Where's x?
way over there?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, that x, then what?
And then the sine of 25 over
Sine of 25 over what?
70.
You know what? That sounds good,
But no,
except
you need the
you jump from this triangle. You were comparing this triangle when you went here to here. Then you were comparing this to this. Now you're doing the big triangle. You're comparing two
Okay.
different
You
triangles.
could do 43.
She's on track though. Sine of what, Tag?
43 over
Okay, hang on. I like this. 43 over what? Where's x?
No, 43 over
Hey guys, look right here.
X.
This side right there is the opposite of 43. Can we give this side a different name? Don't call it X.
A.
Call it A, okay? So we'll call this letter A. So 43 compared to A should equal, now what, look at this triangle.
68 compared to X.
Sine of 25 over
68's in this triangle.
I thought we were doing.
I'm doing this
sine
triangle.
Oh, well then 25 compared to 70.
Yes, there it is. Sine of 25 compared to 70. See, what I'm doing is I'm trying to pick on one triangle. I'm comparing the 43 to A and the 25 degrees to 70. Now I can figure out this piece right here, this blue piece. Right there. All right. So it's A times what?
sine of 25.
Sine of 25.
70 times sine of 43.
43?
Yep.
Okay. There's your work. You
Divide.
divide both sides by what?
Sine of 25.
Sine of 25. And this is just you being careful. Just don't mess up with your calculator. And you will get
112.96.
112.96. Round to the nearest what though? What tells it you?
11.
10. So
Nearest 10.
13.
113.0. So basically that side I was looking for was what? 113, right here. I'll put the 113 there for you. 113, right here. So that's 113. Now guys, look at X. Here's X. This is X right there. You know this is a right triangle now, right here to here.
Yep.
You know what? You know this is what? 68. Well now, you're back to SOHCAHTOA. Watch this. There's the tree, right? This is 68 degrees. This is 113. Here's your right triangle. SOHCAHTOA says if you want this side, X, which is the height of the tree by the way, how are you going to do it? Sine, cosine, tangent. Which one?
Sine.
Why sine? Opposite over hypotenuse. So you're going to go sine of what?
68.
Equals height.
Height over 113.
Now do you remember doing this?
Yeah.
If we don't have a number down here,
Divide by 1.
we just put 1 down there, don't we?
Bro, what's up, man?
1 times this. Height. Height equals.
Sine of 68 is greater than 68.
Let me try that.
What is it?
Let me tell you.
104.7.
104.
104.
So 105, right?
100 what? 4.7?
4.77.
77, so can we go 8?
Yeah.
It said to the nearest tenth of a foot, what's the height of the tree?
So it actually,
So 104.8, right?
Yes.
Everybody agrees with that number?
yes.
Okay. So you actually had to find a missing side that had nothing to do with the height of the tree. But when you found the 113, did that help you?
Yeah.
Yeah, because now you had a right triangle. Oh, SOHCAHTOA. Anytime you have a right triangle, go back to SOHCAHTOA, sine, cosine, tangent, and set up a quick equation and solve it. You okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't have anything else for you. I would suggest tonight's a night that I don't think I would sit there and bog yourself down with lots of homework because you have a 5-hour test tomorrow, juniors.
I know, so we should have this.
So you, no, I told you, don't do it. Just do what?
Just
Show up at room 222, bring your book. We can do your assignment tomorrow in class. The other 2 algebra classes, I don't even see them. So you guys are the only class I really have tomorrow. And I say just do it tomorrow. If you don't finish tomorrow, do it tomorrow night. Okay. Good?
Is the schedule normal for tomorrow?
Everybody eats lunch. You talking for Jake? For yourself? I don't know, Jake.
Percent of my app.
No, no.
Percent of my app.
Sorry.
Oh, you know, I thought you never happened, because I just wanted, I didn't want to.
If I knew
No, I
myself.
didn't want to be, but.
Now I forgot actually.
That's why I don't.
I tried to make it.
That's how it's like.
Test quizzes, here we go.
It's hard.
Rolling in the dough, let your car sleep.
You could have been rolling in more though.
Here, downstairs, I was in the bathroom. I'm the hell.
I know what you mean, Todd. Either one.
Yeah, right.
They
Yeah.
All right, be quick, come up and grab it, okay? That is your quiz. Now, listen closely, I'll tell you how it goes. Your quiz,
I might take my.
your 2 quizzes are, out of 16, the non-calculated, out of 28, the calculated. Anybody that got 16 out of 16 or 28 out of 28, that is outstanding.
Anybody got
Great job. Yeah, there are people.
100%.
Those people, because I thought they were on top of their game, they're the people that made me think they should get a couple bonus points. So they're getting 44 out of 42. So what I'm saying is, it does help everybody, but the reason, there's only like 3 of those people I'm talking about. Those people made me think, boy, they worked hard. I mean, you're giving them bonus, which actually gave all of you bonus also in a way. It's out of 42. If you add it up, it looks like 44. Here we go. I'm not going to walk around, so you're going to come to me. Dave, Anna, Cole, we'll see you later. Michaela, Nick, Lund, Haley, Selena, Guy, Elsa. You guys gotta look on there. Bryce, Patrick, Cedric, Brock, Cole, John, Josh, Brittany, Carlos, Allison, gone. That is Brittany. Allison, gone. Victoria, Cole's gone. Nick is gone. Okay. That's that. Hang on, I'm not done. Not done. Okay, so this is what.
This is the easy part.
And then the dodo bird is
Okay, here comes. The other part is Haley. Haley, Jake, Elsa, Nick.
Sorry, you forgot.
Nick.
Ty.
Ty.
Nice, build it on there.
Hannah. Bryce.
Oh, I thought that said 27.5 for a second.
I almost had a heart attack.
Oh, Brittany.
Oh.
Whoops.
I thought I said 27.5. I was like, no.
Oh, God. Cedric. Patrick. Selena. Allison, gone. Victoria. Gunner.
27 or 20.
See, that's why you should
Do you want these back?
Yep. Hang on. Hey, what I need is, I'd like you guys to staple your non-calculator.
As a business class, I was like,
Okay. Non-calculator gets stapled to calculator. Hang on.
My family keeps making that start rap.
We're out of 42.
Are you in the G-Book yet?
No, not yet. Hey.
No.
Right there, guys. Once you staple it, put it right here. Thank you. Do not be late for your ACT test. You will be kicked out of the room if you don't show up at 8 o'clock.
You tried to kick me out last year.
I know, I tried. You get ready.
You tried to kick him out. I was actually late that day.
Were you late, Jay?
Yeah.
Jay, were you really late?
Yeah. I was actually like 2 minutes late. Who let you in?
Oh, you know what, the rule is, if I pass out a test, I can't let them in.
You were late.
I hand out the test about 8:10.
I got back in the morning, I'll hand out the test.
Huh? I got back in Hawaii the night before the ACT.
Gary, boy, you crazy, Craig.
They do have to tell
Did
you.
you get a list of it?
Okay, everybody's got their stuff in, right? Quizzes are right here?
Thank you.
Okay.
Friday. Monday is not just like episode. We got walk. We were just driving around the like he was back there just driving. Then we have a the road and then wasn't like our
Oh, we had a scavenger hunt for the and they would do a problem, and they would answer, they would go look for their answer.
Yeah, that's a fun.
Right there's their answer. That's the problem they do, and then they do the problem, then they see the answer, and then they open it up and they do the problem. But set the ball around the room.
I went second.
You really? So that Gail's like letter C.
Yeah. Not shit.
I don't know.
Like that shit like a Y. I think Delta comes next.
Well, it's D. So you think so, Delta. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta.
I don't think Epsilon.
Hey, do you know that people are watching this video? Yeah, this is my video.
They're gonna see me do this.
Yes. Now, how are they supposed to catch that?
Because they know this now.
Just kidding. Stop now, stop. I want to record this quick. I want a quick recording.
Do you do